In front of me is Motorola Moto G22, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this smartphone. Firstly, you need to locate calendar and click on it. After that, tap on this icon at the bottom right corner and select Got It. Then finally, you can click on the month above and pick a date by tapping on the chosen one. Then create your event by choosing this plus icon and tapping on Event. After that, you can customize it however you want to. For example, add a title to it. Pick starting or ending hour. You can also disable this feature if you wish to by tapping on the switcher next to all day. Tap on Does Not Repeat and select one of those options if you wish your event to repeat. Then add people, videos, set up notifications minutes, hours or weeks before your event, change color, take notes, and even add attachments over here. If you wish to, you can also set up add location over here by typing in an address, and tapping on the correct one. When you're ready, just save at the top right corner. As you can see, my event was successfully added. If you wish to, you can always edit it by tapping on it and choosing this pen icon at the top right corner. Now make your changes and remember to choose save one more time. If you wish to delete it though, you need to click on it again, click on those three dots at the top right corner, select delete and confirm your choice in this pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!